Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and today we are transferring my data from Android, which is Mi 11 Lite, to iPhone, which is iPhone 10. So probably Diwali celebrations are here, so you might be upgrading to an iPhone. So I thought this video would be useful, and one of my friend also asked me to do that. So here we are transferring from Android to iOS. Most people want to switch, most people want to switch back. We also have a video where we're transferring from iOS to iOS, which is much simpler. You get every data and everything, and that's the main reason why you will switch to iOS in the first place. Like once you are in that Apple wall of garden, you won't come back because it's so good. So let's transfer that. Now first of all, Apple has an app called I think it transferred to iPhone, so I will just search for it. So move to iOS is the app, as you can see. So I will install this, and as in my all migration videos, I recommend you to format the device because unless you won't format, you won't get that option to transfer your data back. Again, you can use some third-party apps like GeoSwitch, or maybe I used to use Gcloud app, which was just amazing, but now I'm preferring the default Apple method. So let's do that. So for that, I will factory reset this iPhone. You can actually go to general, and here you can see transfer or reset iPhone, erase all content and settings, right? So it's 11 GB. Continue. We'll enter the passcode, erase iPhone, boom. So till it resets, we will see this app. So it gives you Apple privacy policy, so let's accept this. Move to iOS. Use this app to transfer messages, photos, and more from Android device to new iOS device. Apple makes it so much easier, guys. So accept terms and conditions. Send app usage. Okay, that's fine. Location permission required. Apple will collect everything, so that's fine. Notification permission required. Okay. Find your code. Enter single use code. So this will be available once this iPhone resets. So we will go ahead and reset this iPhone. Now you'll ask why you are moving to an iPhone 10. So actually it's a whole new story which we'll cover in video, but in short, basically this iPhone 10 is actually the repaired one where everything is working because my iPhone X camera was not working. I gave it a replacement, then the motherboard got damaged, so we paid a little extra and got this full new phone, which is all Apple original parts, and it's working. So because I love this compact form factor, and the iPhone X is really good. Like the displays are even unmatched right now. Like displays are really so good with the iPhone 10. It's a nice mini compact phone, so I had to reduce my usage with my phone, so probably this was way to go. So let's wait for us to reset and we will be right back.
A few moments later.
So as you can see, there's a hello screen, so let's proceed with this one. I'm gonna choose English, India. So this is how you set up a new iPhone basically. If you're not getting this screen, that's why I'm asking you to format, because mostly when you buy an iPhone from a shop, they will probably skip all the process and give you just an iPhone. It's not an ideal format, and they will use GeoSwitch, and it's just a mess. I would recommend format your phone once you get, and you can follow the steps along. So you say set up manually, continue. We're going to choose a Wi-Fi network. So it's sending the Apple data about the IMEI and everything. See, continue. Face ID, continue. So I will just set up a Face ID right now, guys. So Face ID is complete. I'll create a passcode. I would like to choose 4-digit passcode. So this is what I'm talking about. So now you can transfer from an iCloud backup, which I have actually, but I won't choose that for this for sake of this video. And I also need to have the latest data, which is not there in my iCloud backup. So I will choose here move data from Android, and you can see if you have an Android phone or tablet, you can transfer your phone messages more on this iPhone. Download the move to iOS app, which we already did. Continue. Now I'm going to use this code and will enter on my Android device. So 213904. I can see it's connecting. Guys, this is amazing how Apple makes everything so much easier in your life that you just want to pay them more. So now it asks me to which to transfer, so I will prefer my messages, my contacts, so I'm gonna allow everything. Calendar not needed because sync with Google, so that's fine. A Google account, yes, I will sync. Photo library, not sure, but I will just choose. It will take time, but I think it says 26 GB, so this is a lot. So I'm not sure if I would like to share this as of now. Apps, that's fine, I don't want apps. Display settings. It's weird, right? These things are giving me like how Apple can do transfer display settings from an Android device to iOS. That's really strange. That's amazing. So I would like to see that. Accessibility setting, no needed. WhatsApp, no needed. Apps, not needed. So photo, I think let's try that. It's 26 GB. Let's see. This is a 64 GB iPhone. This is 128 GB Android. Let's see. So that's it. Continue, or else it's too much, guys. 26 GB is, I think, too much. I might better start fresh from this iPhone, but let's see. So it says transferring. Check Face ID. So this was actually faster than the last iPhone to iPhone transfer. I don't know why it was a long video, but maybe this could be also a long video. Let's see. It's still estimating the time. Keep this device turned on and connected to power until the transfer is complete. So yeah, guys, that is recommended because in my iPhone to iPhone transfer, one of the iPhone went out of battery, and then when I went for a charger, then it got disconnected. So this time I won't do that mistake. I will bring my charger in this place, will connect the charger, and then only will proceed. So guys, I connected to power. As I said, I don't want to take a risk. Now I have this nice 3-in-1 wire. So it has USB type C, you have the iPhone lightning connector, and you also have a micro USB. These kind of chargers are really useful for these kind of scenarios, as you can see, and keeping the both iPhones very close, because little distance I have faced that in the iPhone to iPhone transfer that it just cancels out. I don't know why Apple does this, but it's better to be safe. I'll keep it near. And now it says 3 hours, which is relatively good, I would say, considering the amount of data it has. And if I need to manually transfer via G-Cloud, it would be a mess. It's very good that Apple has this feature, and I'm happily moving to the iOS, and I might not switch back. So we will be back once this is done to test this out.
One eternity later.
So guys, it's almost more than 3 hours now, and that's because I have more than 25 GB of data. So I think it's almost done. It says about 1 minute remaining. But the process was relatively easy than I thought, because iPhone to iPhone process was not that smooth. Like, it was smooth, but it was not that short. Like, there's a lot of updates and everything. But nonetheless, once you switch, like, the switch is easy, right? But once you switch, then even the transfer from iPhone to iPhone is very easy. It's just more steps, but you will get your iPhone as it is once you transfer. So it's a one-time thing, and you can see it says transfer complete. Your data has been transferred to your new iPhone, has been imported. The data synchronous with online services was not transferred, and you must sign into those apps on your iPhone to download it. And that's fine. It says recycle your Android device. I will disconnect the charger because I think it's not needed now. So as I say, it says recycle your Android device. So Apple is in a lot of recycling and health. So you can see you can recycle this Android device for free at any participating Apple store. I don't want to do that because this is a working Android phone, and this is my iPhone, which is ready. Data has been transferred to iPhone. Some photos and videos have been imported to move to iOS folder in the Files app. Alright, so that's good. I'll sign with my Apple ID. Systems and conditions, and this one is fingerprint magnet, guys. Update your iPhone automatically. Alright, location service enable. Shared audio recording, screen time, yes, I need that. Analytics, share with Apple, share app diagnostics. So it says light or dark. I don't know why there's auto option there, but I would prefer dark. It says welcome to iPhone. So there you have it. It's basically transferred from Android to iOS. Now app transfer won't be that seamless, like you need to find those apps on App Store, and I would say that sometimes you will get like I think 80% of the apps, but not more than that. That's good because Apple only allows apps which adheres to their privacy policy and don't do shit things. So in that way you're protected more. And so use location services. Now let's see if my contacts and everything is here. So I just go to contacts, and yeah, my contacts is here. That's pretty good. My messages just here, which is good. I mean, that's something which I didn't was able to do it last time with that Gcloud method, but this is good. And apps I think will be restored based on my Apple account, so I can just go to the App Store, sign in, and download the apps. Let's see the photo library, and say allow Apple privacy, use iCloud photos. So right now it's fine. So as you see, my photos and screenshot have been transferred, which is amazing. Now some folders and screenshot won't be transferred if that's other than camera folder, so it only backups that. But at least guys, I have all the photos and the videos, like my Apple Watch and my workouts and everything. It's pretty good, guys. I mean, it's good. Like the transfer was seamless. Like this thing is so seamless, guys. I mean, literally display and everything is so pretty good. So that's pretty much for this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to the Tech Show if you haven't already. And if you're interested to move to another iPhone, then you can watch move to iPhone guide. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.